Welcome Donna. Donna is a Daisy dog. A Daisy dog is a Shih Tzu, Bichon, and Poodle mix. She's going to be about 12 to 16 pounds, and she will shed very little, if any. Maybe drop a few hairs here and there. And she's going to be pretty spunky. She loves to play, but she will also like to cuddle up with you at the end of the day. And she is the sweetest little puppy, and you can kind of see that spunky side of her right now. If she sounds like the perfect pup for you, stop on by and say hi to Donna.